Welcome to Optonex Tech. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to create dynamic and customizable image component can be used to easily display images with a variety of styles, effects, and behaviors. In this video, we will cover topics such as briefly explain how to create dynamic image component, mention its reusability, flexibility, and customizable nature in React, highlight the use cases for different types of images, examples product display, profile pictures. We have already created React project. In that, create new folder named image inside components folder which contains one file index.jsx for component logic. The image functional component takes several props. src, the source URL of the image, which is required, alternative text for the image, important for accessibility, width, the width of the image, defaulting to 100%, height, the height of the image, defaulting to auto, border radius, controls the roundness of the image corners, box shadow, adds a shadow effect around the image, hover effect, a boolean to enable or disable scaling on hover, lazy, a boolean to determine if the image should be lazy, loaded, on click, a function that will be called when the image is clicked, style, additional inline styles for custom styling, class name, additional CSS class names for styling. Inside the return statement, we render an img element with several attributes, src, set to the src prop passed to the component, alt, set to the alt prop for accessibility, loading, uses the lazy prop to set loading behavior, enabling lazy loading if true, onClick, attaches the onClick handler if provided, class name, applies any additional class names for styling. Next, we define the style prop of the image, allowing for extensive customization, width and height, controlled by the respective props, border radius and box shadow, also set by props, giving you control over the image's appearance. Transition, adds a smooth transition effect when hovering if hover effect is enabled. Transform, sets the initial scale for hover effect. Finally, we implement mouse event handlers for the hover effect. On mouse enter, we scale the image up slightly, and on mouse leave, we return it to its original size. This creates a nice visual effect for users. Lastly, we export the component so it can be used in other parts of our application. Inside the app.js, we first import the image component and add heading as a dynamic and customizable image component demo. In first example, the image is a product picture, styled to be 240 by 240 pixels, with a slight border radius of 10 pixels, and the hover effect is enabled, so the image scales slightly when hovered over. Lazy loading is also activated to delay the image loading until it's visible in the viewport. In second example, the image is user avatar, styled to be 150 pixels width and height with 50% border radius. We've added a box shadow to give the image a slight elevation effect. The hover effect is disabled for this profile image, and lazy loading is turned off, ensuring the image loads immediately. Instead, we have an onClick event handler that shows a pop-up message when the image is clicked. Now our development is completed. Let's test demo. Our first example demonstrates a use case where the image component is used to display a product image. As you can see, this component takes in various props such as src, alt, width, and height. In this case, the image is styled to be 240 pixels by 240 pixels. We've also added a border radius of 10 pixels to give the image rounded corners. Notice that when I hover over the image, it slightly zooms in. This is thanks to the hover effect prop, which is set to true. Additionally, this image is lazily loaded, which means it only loads when it becomes visible in the viewport, improving page load performance. Next, let's look at the second image example, where the image component is used to display a user profile picture. In this case, the image is much smaller, with a width and height of 150 pixels. We've also applied a border radius of 50%, making the image perfectly circular. Here, we've added a subtle shadow using the box shadow prop. The hover effect is disabled for this example, so the image stays static when hovered. However, this image comes with an onClick event. If I click the profile picture, it triggers an alert. To wrap up, our image component offers a flexible and customizable way to display images in React. You can easily adjust the size, shape, effects, and behaviors with just a few props, making this component ideal for various use cases from product images to user profile pictures and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for upcoming tutorials.